Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Rimmel London Brow This Way Brow Styling Gel, and this is just a gel fixant. Yeah, and this is in clear 004 clear, and yeah, this is just what it looks like. It's very tiny. So starting off about this, the way I got introduced to this was my eyebrows were a mess. Basically, my eyebrows are a mess. I didn't have the time at that point in time to go get them fixed, and I don't really trust anybody with my eyebrows because my eyebrows are very thicker, and for some reason when people want to do my eyebrows, they think that it's okay to thin them out, and I really honestly would have no problem with it, but I don't appreciate there's nothing wrong with thin eyebrows, but it's just that I'm so used to my eyebrows being thicker. When they get thinned out a little bit, I just kind of get ugh. But anyways, my eyebrows were a mess, and I was like, you know what, if I'm gonna have thick eyebrows, I'm gonna embrace it. So I would shape my own eyebrows at home, and I use, for anybody who knows what this is, the NYX black pomade, and so far I couldn't find anything that could help me shape it better. I was just okay, the pomade is working good, but I just wanted something to go over it to help me get the shape that I wanted. And so I went to Walmart and I went up and down the aisles and I found this, and as you guys can see, I need to get a new one, but this is my second one, and I started purchasing this in February, so I use this a lot. I live by this. This is one of my go-to products every day. I wear this even when I don't fill in my eyebrows, just when I want a little shape to them. This, my go-to, I guess, makeup, routine would be wash my face, moisturize my face. If I feel like it that day, fill in my eyebrows, but then always use this. Even if I don't fill in my eyebrows, I always use this because it just shapes your eyebrows so well. Something that I really don't like about it though is how dirty it gets, and that's not really healthy. To keep applying it on your eyebrows, I don't know how sanitary that is or anything, but it's only my brow pomade, so if I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows anyway, it's always gonna get in there. But the only problem I have is that when I don't fill in my eyebrows, this is still going on there, so it's kind of But everything else, I really do love. I wish they made it in a bigger tube than this. I would be so happy. But I really love this product. It's one of my favorites. Something else too that is really cool about this too is how tiny it is, guys. So I'm just gonna go up a little bit just to give you guys a little retrospect about how tiny this is, and then I'll tell you where I take it and stuff. So that's pretty much how tiny it is. So like I said, this is my second one I've purchased, not because I use the other one up, but because the other one is in my purse, or I keep it in my backpack when I go to class. I take it with me literally everywhere. If one of my eyebrows is looking funky, I get really insecure about it, and I'll just go in the bathroom and fix it with this. It's just something I can carry it in my pocket. I can put it in my purse. I can carry this anywhere that I pretty much please. So it's kind of something that I never want to let go of. It's when you find a good product, you just you don't want to give it up. It's you want to keep going back to it. It's your go-to thing. And so this is my go-to product. I live by this. It's just a one of a kind. I do want to show you guys though. So this is what the spoolie looks like. And it just kind of has this little black part right here. And something else too, guys, that I kind of dislike about this product is this part of it. So let's set this one down. With this part of it, as you can see, it's a little hole, and it kind of brushes off some of the product when you pull it up. I wish it left more of the product on the spoolie, because sometimes I feel I'm not getting as much as I need on my eyebrows at one time. So I have to consistently keep taking this and like digging down in there and trying to get some out. And then also guys too, when it's at the bottom, and you know how you usually can tip over something for it to come? Yeah, it does not do that. I have to take the spoolie and kind of try to dig it out, because actually it was really sad too, because like I was just like, I tried to like melt it a little bit to try to get it to go, but it wasn't going. So that's the other downfall about this product too. When you get to the bottom, trying to dig it out is like getting a workout. So, but overall, I really do love this product. It's one of my faves. Like I said, I've lived by this product. I love how it shapes my eyebrows and everything. And it's inexpensive, guys. Very inexpensive. You really get your money's worth out of it. I wish they made it in a bigger bottle like I've stated before, but they don't. So it's just this one. And like I said, this is just the Brow This Way Brow Styling Gel. And this is just in 004 Clear.